Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from TechDroids, and this is the latest creation from the folks over at OnePlus, the OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition. So in this video, let's unbox it and find out if the high price they're asking for it is actually worth it. Opening up the lid, first things first, is this book that shows off some of the things that McLaren has done, some of the things that OnePlus has done, and how this collaboration fell through, what was the inspiration, and also there are some cool tricks up its sleeve, so you can check it out once you buy the phone. Next up, you have the OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition itself, and it's a gorgeous phone. It's beautiful in every way possible. It is pretty similar to the normal OnePlus 6T Mirror Black, but it has some McLaren, accents all over it. So we'll talk about the design and the changes later on. Now let's get to the other things in the box, because the accessories in the box are also special. First things first, you have this McLaren Edition USB Type-C cable with the orange and black color scheme, and this is made out of nylon, and it does the normal job, so data syncing and charging. Next up, you also have the 30-watt warp charger, and this is one of the big deals about this phone and why the price is actually. We'll talk about it later on. Next up, you have the carbon fiber case. I would have expected something more aggressive, something like the Iron Man case or the Star Wars case. Maybe just to put it out there that this is the McLaren Edition. This is simple, very subtle. Next up, OnePlus likes to include collectibles and special items in their special editions. And this one is my favorite. It looks so good that I actually just wanted this and not the phone. So it's a plaque that has carbon fiber inside it, and this is the carbon fiber that McLaren uses on their cars, and it is handcrafted in England. Next up, you have the 3.5mm to USB Type-C adapter. Again, this is a OnePlus 6T, so it does not have the headphone jack. To wrap up the unboxing, you have the SIM ejection tool and paperwork from OnePlus, and some words from the McLaren folks as well. You can read it if you're interested. Now getting to the OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition itself, let's not make this a repetition of my OnePlus 6T unboxing. Let's just talk about the changes. First things first is the design. So you can see that this has the McLaren logo, and also that accents towards the side of the phone, those also represent the McLaren color scheme. And inside the phone you have some software tweaks, some animations, some wallpapers, and a new theme. Also complement this collaboration between McLaren and OnePlus. Also, moving on, you have the warp charger. That's the second change. This is a 30-watt charger that'll get you, 1 day of charge in 20 minutes. And OnePlus finally introduces something other than dash charge. So this is the next generation of dash charge. And yeah, salute to speed, as they say. This is the charger that is going to salute the speed of your phone and also charge it. I'm actually glad that OnePlus did this now and not in the next generation phone. So maybe in the next generation we can see 40-watt charging. I don't know what that'll be called, but yeah, the warp charger is a thing. Next up is the specs. Change is the specs. So you have the Snapdragon 855. In this one you have 10 GB of LPX DDR4 RAM. The storage remains the same, the battery remains the same, but 10 GB of RAM in an Android phone is just going to be mind-blowing. And the speed and the future proofing that you get with that kind of RAM is going to be good. So I don't think this phone will slow down anytime soon. Otherwise, this is a normal OnePlus 6T. Apart from the changes that I spoke about right now, it's a OnePlus 6T in every way. So you have the same display, the same software, everything else remains the same. So you can buy this in India at 51,000 rupees, and in the US it is $699. So there is a pretty significant price increase. I think for the McLaren fans it'll be totally worth it. And also if you want 10 GB of RAM, if you want the design changes, you want the collectible items, the whole special edition thingy, you can go for this one. And I think that's about it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. That wraps up my video on the McLaren edition of the OnePlus 6T. There's not a whole lot to talk about here, but whatever they did is actually pretty good and it makes sense. It is functional. And with that being said, guys, go ahead and like this video if you liked it. Also subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this phone. Notification bell should be hit to get new videos as soon as I upload them. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.